hotel revenue.
Piny owacho ochako chenro mar dwaro gero kar tiegruok mar tiego jopuonj e gwenge ma kanyono e kaonti ma Kitui. Dwaro ma kamano mienjo e romo ma jodito mawuok e migawo mar pur kaachiel kod apisas mag pur e kaonti ma Kitui, kama bang'e ne gidhi timo nonro e lowo michano gerie kar tiegruogno. Kaluwore gi jatend migawo mar pur e kaontino, Dr. Mbaya Kimwele, sirkand kaontino ero oseketo thenge lowo ma owinjore ogerie kar tiegruogno.
Nataka kusema kwamba ninashukuru kwa serikali kuu ya Kenya kiongozwa na Rais Ruto kwa kuona ni vizuri wakuwe na mradi kama huu, na pia nataka kushukuru gavana wetu Malombe kwa kukubali hii mradi ya feedlot iwekwe kwa sehemu yangu ya Yata kwa Fonza ambapo ni hapa Kanyonyo.
There will be a lot of development within the 5,000. First, there is fencing to protect whatever is inside. There are issues of the water points. Those are the boreholes. And then there is also irrigation or pasture. So we will not be relying on just pasture from wherever within the 5,000 acres. And this is a government project, national government project.
So with the feedlot, we are going to get Kitui livestock keeping sustainable. We are going to get also a lot of business from across the other counties, because I believe that Mount Kenya region will be looking at this feedlot here also to benefit from it. And I believe that B2, we are going to work with them.